Summer street style presents a massive challenge for older men, often leading to sloppy tourist outfits that instantly destroy your distinguished presence. The intense heat tempts many to abandon tailored elegance for lazy, unflattering activewear. Today, we are completely eliminating that disastrous approach. Welcome to the ultimate masterclass on sophisticated summer street fashion for the mature gentleman. We will explore precise, wealthy combinations that conquer high temperatures while maintaining absolute architectural integrity. Prepare to upgrade your warm weather wardrobe entirely, projecting unbothered old money authority naturally. 1. The cream knit polo and navy trousers. Elevating your summer street style demands fabrics that offer breathability without losing their refined structure. A cream short-sleeve knit polo serves as a phenomenal centerpiece for the mature gentleman, providing exceptional texture that basic cotton t-shirts completely lack. The tailored collar perfectly frames the face, projecting profound authority during casual afternoon outings. Pair this magnificent top layer seamlessly with tailored navy linen trousers to establish a highly capable, beautifully balanced aesthetic. The dark trousers anchor the look flawlessly, delivering maximum airflow while maintaining a sharp silhouette. This deliberate pairing removes all sloppiness. You naturally radiate an established, unbothered old money presence, effortlessly commanding genuine respect entirely completely everywhere today. 2. The mint green textured button-down and sand shorts. Conquering the city heat requires sophisticated garments that breathe beautifully while retaining impeccable architectural shape. A mint green textured cotton button-down delivers phenomenal cooling properties and introduces deeply mature color into your rotation. This exceptional top layer avoids the unflattering cling of cheap synthetic sportswear, draping flawlessly over an older frame. Match this vibrant piece perfectly with sand-tailored shorts for a beautifully grounded, immensely capable visual contrast. These structured shorts maintain a highly formal crease, entirely eradicating the careless tourist appearance. This exact combination guarantees complete wardrobe confidence outdoors. You effortlessly maintain a crisp, aristocratic profile that naturally commands absolute admiration during every summer walk right now today. 3. The faded terracotta Guayabera and Ivory Chinos. Embracing distinguished warm weather style demands exploring heritage designs that flatter a mature gentleman perfectly. A faded terracotta linen Guayabera shirt offers an incredibly powerful aesthetic while ensuring maximum ventilation. The traditional pleated details add magnificent worldly character, completely outshining standard uninspired basics. Coordinate this brilliant statement top flawlessly with tailored ivory cotton chinos to establish a phenomenally wealthy, highly balanced lower foundation. The light trousers inject immense formality without causing overheating, proving your advanced understanding of luxury dressing. This considered pairing effortlessly communicates absolute sartorial intelligence. You reliably secure a highly polished, authoritative presence, commanding profound admiration entirely naturally during any upscale afternoon excursion right now completely perfectly today. 4. The ice blue Pique shirt and taupe shorts. Elevating your seasonal wardrobe requires choosing exceptionally ventilated garments that preserve a dignified silhouette. An ice blue lightweight Pique shirt acts as a phenomenal cooling mechanism, delivering a wonderfully polished visual impact without feeling restrictive. This sophisticated pastel tone perfectly illuminates a mature complexion. Pair this beautiful top seamlessly with tailored taupe linen shorts for a beautifully sturdy, incredibly capable foundation. The textured shorts naturally resist severe wrinkling, utterly destroying the sloppy beachwear aesthetic common in summer streets. This highly precise combination absolutely guarantees an immaculate presentation. You easily dominate any urban environment with profound confidence completely flawlessly, projecting genuine old money elegance entirely naturally right now today perfectly everywhere. 5. The deep plum Henley and olive trousers. Showcasing advanced personal style outside requires exploring deeply rich hues that effortlessly command attention without appearing excessively loud. A deep plum short-sleeve Henley introduces phenomenal visual weight, entirely replacing uninspired basic shirts. The button neckline provides essential framing for older gentlemen while regulating temperature naturally. Match this striking piece seamlessly with tailored olive green trousers to create a remarkably balanced, deeply intelligent aesthetic contrast. The sturdy trousers offer a beautifully structured drape that completely outclasses standard casual jeans. This impeccable pairing thoroughly elevates your daily uniform. You effortlessly radiate an established, thoroughly unbothered old money demeanor entirely naturally, easily commanding absolute respect right now, today, completely, everywhere, always, perfectly. 6. The pale yellow camp shirt and charcoal shorts. Developing a distinctive warm weather signature involves balancing vibrant top layers with highly sophisticated, incredibly sturdy foundations. A pale yellow fine cotton camp shirt provides wonderful structural integrity and a wonderfully rich, airy presence. The open collar holds its handsome shape flawlessly, completely elevating your presentation beyond standard flimsy tees. Match this exceptional garment perfectly with tailored charcoal lightweight denim shorts to establish an immensely capable, resort-ready contrast. The dark denim beautifully offsets the bright top, maintaining extraordinary physical comfort. This masterful combination thoroughly avoids mundane summer trends. You reliably secure an aristocratic profile that effortlessly commands absolute admiration entirely naturally right now, today, perfectly, everywhere, without any fail. '7. The Cobalt Blue Terry Polo and White Chinos. Upgrading your daily leisure uniform is absolutely essential when navigating affluent city districts during humid afternoons. A cobalt blue terry polo delivers a remarkably sharp, highly mature presence that immediately separates you from ordinary pedestrians. The plush fabric frames a masculine jaw beautifully while naturally absorbing moisture effectively. Coordinate this magnificent piece perfectly with tailored white lightweight chinos for a phenomenally balanced, deeply elegant contrast. The bright trousers naturally ground the outfit, guaranteeing exceptional physical comfort and undeniable formality throughout the day. This impeccable pairing entirely avoids careless styles. You reliably secure an aristocratic profile that effortlessly commands absolute admiration entirely naturally right now, today, completely, flawlessly, everywhere, perfectly. 8. The sage green overshirt and cream shorts. Creating an unmistakably expensive summer silhouette requires mastering the subtle art of layering lightweight fabrics appropriately. A sage green pure linen overshirt offers an incredibly powerful, aristocratic aesthetic while feeling perfectly ventilated. Worn open over a high-quality white undershirt, it ensures you maintain a highly formal, incredibly crisp upper profile without experiencing terrible overheating. Coordinate this distinguished top layer perfectly with cream-tailored shorts to provide supreme breathability and undeniable heritage elegance. This considered approach communicates immense personal wealth without using prominent logos. You easily secure a highly polished, authoritative presence, commanding profound admiration entirely naturally right now, today, perfectly, everywhere, my good gentleman, effortlessly, completely, always. '9. The dusty pink button-down and navy trousers. Embracing distinguished summer shades requires anchoring them with profoundly rugged, undeniably masculine bottom layers. A dusty pink seersucker button-down shirt completely rejuvenates your daily rotation, offering magnificent airflow and incredibly flattering color for older men. The textured puckered fabric prevents any uncomfortable clinging during extreme humidity. Coordinate this brilliant top seamlessly with tailored navy blue cotton trousers for an exceptionally harmonious visual balance. The thick cotton structure perfectly contains the outfit, projecting immense sartorial intelligence and refined heritage. This considered pairing absolutely guarantees a highly polished, affluent aesthetic. You easily maintain a crisp, Authoritative presence completely naturally entirely effortlessly right now today my highly respected gentleman perfectly always completely. 10. The Ochre knit shirt and slate gray shorts. Refining your upscale vacation wardrobe means selecting specific pieces that effortlessly manage high temperatures without ever sacrificing your sophisticated profile. An ochre short-sleeve knit shirt offers exceptional moisture management, while injecting highly mature elegance into your street presentation. The rich texture brings incredible worldly character, entirely bypassing boring synthetic casual wear. Match this formidable top flawlessly with perfectly tailored slate gray linen shorts to establish an incredibly powerful, beautifully grounded contrast. This bold yet tasteful combination undoubtedly proves your advanced understanding of luxury menswear. You effortlessly bypass uninspired outfits, projecting a wealthy aesthetic completely flawlessly and entirely naturally right now today without any doubt my respected gentleman perfectly completely always everywhere. (11) The muted lavender popover and khaki trousers. Showcasing genuine affluent style during afternoon city walks requires selecting garments that feel remarkably relaxed yet appear impeccably sharp. A muted lavender pure linen popover shirt achieves this delicate balance perfectly. The premium fabric delivers supreme breathability and an exceptionally handsome trait that flatters an older gentleman beautifully. Coordinate this distinguished top layer flawlessly with tailored khaki cotton trousers for an intensely powerful, deeply grounded aesthetic. The bright khaki naturally elevates the overall formality, providing essential visual contrast. This considered approach communicates immense personal wealth without relying on flashy trends. You naturally project a highly curated, commanding presence entirely effortlessly right now today my respected friends completely perfectly everywhere always. 12. The forest green Pique polo and light tan shorts. Incorporating subtle structural textures into your leisure rotation requires careful attention to clean, elegant tailoring. A forest green heavyweight Pique polo shirt creates an exceptionally capable, deeply sophisticated profile outdoors. The rugged design provides brilliant architectural structure, completely bypassing the sloppy look of standard oversized sportswear. The sturdy Pique fabric naturally breathes beautifully in direct sunlight. Coordinate this adventurous piece perfectly with tailored light tan shorts for a flawlessly grounded, formal aesthetic. By choosing these purposeful garments, you project an enduring, affluent charm. You reliably command genuine respect during any afternoon excursion, guaranteeing absolute admiration completely effortlessly right now today my highly respected friends completely perfectly entirely always absolutely flawless. (13) The pale blue toweling shirt and stone gray chinos. Elevating your warm weather attire demands integrating profound classic menswear staples that command immediate attention without appearing desperate. A pale blue short-sleeve toweling shirt provides unparalleled tactile richness, instantly separating your aesthetic from standard casual crowds. The exceptionally breathable fabric drapes with deep masculine authority while offering superb cooling capabilities. Match this magnificent piece flawlessly with tailored stone gray chinos to construct a highly striking, impeccably balanced lower foundation. The structured trousers prevent the ensemble from looking overly relaxed or unkempt. This flawless combination entirely removes daily dressing anxiety. You easily project an established profile that secures quiet admiration completely naturally right now today my good friends everywhere completely. 14. The rust brown chambray shirt and olive canvas shorts. Showcasing advanced stylistic knowledge requires pairing deeply earthy colors with fabrics that possess profound structural heritage. A rust brown lightweight chambray shirt creates a phenomenally striking, worldly aesthetic outside. The relaxed nature of the vintage design provides remarkable presence and brilliant comfort, perfectly complementing the structured, elegant drape of tailored olive drab canvas shorts. The rust tone injects exceptional, mature vibrancy without appearing foolishly loud or inappropriately casual. Coordinate this magnificent pairing seamlessly to achieve a beautifully grounded, intelligent foundation. This precise masterclass ensures you project an aura of unbothered old wealth naturally, securing absolute respect at any outdoor city event perfectly effortlessly right now today, my respected friends, entirely. (15) The slate gray camp collar and pure white trousers. Constructing a flawless summer street aesthetic requires highly specialized textiles that breathe efficiently without losing shape. A slate gray cotton camp collar shirt provides an incredibly sophisticated, relaxed drape that flatters a mature gentleman beautifully. The breathable fabric completely removes the heat retention associated with traditional heavy tops, ensuring profound physical comfort outdoors. Pair this phenomenal top layer flawlessly with tailored pure white linen trousers to establish a highly commanding, beautifully balanced visual contrast. The bright trousers completely eliminate the need for bulky styling, keeping the silhouette remarkably clean. This impeccable combination naturally projects established wealth. You will effortlessly command absolute respect during any upscale urban gathering completely naturally today. Mastering these elevated summer combinations absolutely guarantees you will never look like a careless tourist again. By purposely choosing breathable textures and sophisticated tailoring, you effortlessly command respect in any upscale urban environment. Implement these exact aesthetic principles today to permanently solidify your status as a man of genuine wealth and profound taste. If you found this essential masterclass valuable and wish to continually refine your distinguished gentleman aesthetic alongside other men, please hit the like button and subscribe to the 40+ Style Guide.